Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to enable or disable blind spot detection. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then you need to find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the screen. If you tap the car icon, you've got access to those driving control, driving settings. Let's switch tabs here from driving control to the MGpilot. Now you need to scroll, and let's scroll far enough to select here blind spot detection. So you can read the information about this feature, you can read the theory. It monitors the blind spot areas to the side of the vehicles and alerts the driver of any collision risk. So if you know the theory and you would like to still disable this feature, you can do this just by using this switcher right here. But you have to be aware that it's risky. In my case, I like to have this feature enabled to see the blind spot information. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.